Hello students, welcome to Catman Academy's IIT JAM Biotechnology Previous Year Question Solution Series. And our today's question is, which one of the following statement is correct for mycoplasma? Right? And your options here are, number 1, their cells are of definite shape. They are resistant to lysis by osmotic shock. Their growth is not inhibited by penicillin. And they are non-pathogenic to humans. So in this question, you should know about the structure of mycoplasma and you have to identify the correct statement about the structure of mycoplasma. So in this picture here, mycoplasma does not have any cell wall. It contains only 3-layer outer cell membrane structure. It has cellular protein, soluble protein. It contains genetic material in it and some ribosome and cytoplasm. Right? So let's identify our correct answer here. So number 1 option is their cells are of definite shape. So due to the absence of cell wall, it does not have any definite shape. So this statement is incorrect here. Right? Why? Because mycoplasma are pleomorphic in nature, which means they change their shape according to their environment. Your next option here is they are resistant to lysis by osmotic shock. So this resistance is also depends on the pH, right, and temperature in which mycoplasma is surviving. For example, at 37 degrees centigrade, mycoplasma start to lyse. But at 0 degrees centigrade, they are resistant to lysis. So this statement here is also incorrect. Your next statement is their growth is not inhibited by the penicillin. So this statement is correct. Why? Because mycoplasma does not have any cell wall, due to which any type of antibiotic cannot act on the cell wall structure, right? So because most of the antibiotics, they targets the cell wall synthesis. So this statement is correct here. Your next statement is they are non-pathogenic to humans. So this is also incorrect. Why? Because mycoplasmas actually infect the humans and they target the organs like skin, lungs or urinary tract organs, right? So here your correct answer is option C. Their growth is not inhibited by penicillin. So that's all for the today. Thank you.